everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is a place where you can find unboxing, haul, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you one more Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this is pretty good like the ones before, okay? Because I literally transforming the Louis Vuitton Monogram GM Cosmetic Pouch into a crossbody bag. And it's really good because this is something that you can always use it as a cosmetic bag and give another use as a crossbody too. I'm also gonna share with you the adjustable shoulder strap 16mm monogram, and this is, I think, the better price of all of them. This is $255 and it's pretty nice. I haven't seen it in person yet. This is my first time seeing both items, and it's gonna be in front of you guys. I need to get an insert for this cosmetic bag. I don't know if it's available up there, but let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look, and you're gonna see the strap, the shoulder strap, how it look like, why I choose that strap to go with, and why I actually choose a strap from Louis Vuitton. First, I have this small box right here. Of course, this is the shoulder strap, and we're gonna open it. It has a little, paper, like you have to rip it off, but I can show you this size guide because it have all my personal information. And we have this here, the awesome, Louis Vuitton. Woo! That's nice. From all the stuff that I've been receiving from Louis Vuitton, this is actually the only one that came already very nice wrapped in the ribbon and with a nice card, seasonal card from like Christmas. This is pretty nice. Very excited about this. And of course, we have here the envelope with all the information, with the return label and all the receipt and all the stuff that we know. This is the adjustable shoulder strap 16mm monogram, and we're gonna open it. I just can move this. Ooh. It's nice because it coming, you see, in the little pouch. That's pretty cool. And we're gonna see it. This is right here. Oh, wait. It's another. So it's two sides. So we have this. And we have this one right here. This is so pretty. Oh wow, I just so glad that I purchased this. This one is very hard to get it online. I'm so thankful I was able to get it from online too. I think the same day that I got the cosmetic GM cosmetic bag or cosmetic pouch, the GM one, right away. Soon I saw it, I saw some review about it, and I saw that it was hard to find, and I really fell in love with this one just because it's a monogram and because it's literally the cheapest there for a good I would say material, because I saw there are a few of them that have this kind of leather, this kind of leather that I hear it patina or something like that, and they are actually pricey. So I'm very glad that I was able to snap this out of the website. So happy about it. It comes with this like that, and the buttons say Louis Vuitton, and here it say Louis Vuitton too. Both sides, you're able to turn it. Beautiful, beautiful. This is what it look like. Look at that. And this is all the hardware they have, because it's adjustable, which I love that. And this is the other side, which is the one it have another. This is the one that go attached here, and you can make it, see, adjustable. I'm gonna put it right here in the second one. Oh, I think I put it wrong. No. So this is pretty cool. I love it. Now I understand why customers get crazy about it, or people get crazy about it, and soon they see available online, they purchase it right away. Why so? It's me that I'm doing it wrong, or it's so hard to get it in? Let me see. So I'm doing this, right? It's like very stiff. Oh, this one moved. Okay, because I was putting both at the same time, which is cool in that way. Oh, okay, it was me. I was. Okay, look at that. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the good thing is that you can literally to adjust this, very comfortable for your shoulder. Look at that. Beautiful. I love it. I love the material. This is something that seems like very good quality, will last forever. It don't say no detail of where it made. It having this rubber, this is like a rubber part right here. It say LB only up here. That's pretty much it. I love it. Very cool. All the buttons like this, they all say Louis Vuitton. So this is the piece. So this one have a metallic buckles. It's a strap. It's not removable, adjustable. I don't know what is not removable. I get this. I don't know. But it's adjustable, so it's great. And you can use it for other bags. And the reference, it can be from, let's say this can be made in France, Spain, or Italy, which is hard to see from here. I can't find any place that say where it made from. You just say Louis Vuitton, but okay, I guess they all have the same description. Love it. Gonna keep this outside because you know I'm gonna storage there. Gonna put it back. Beautiful. Okay, now we are gonna go for the Cosmetic Pouch GM, and I grabbed this one in specific because it's bigger. It was available, it's still available, so seems like this is not too hard to get it. These beautiful, pretty bags. We're gonna open, and again, it didn't come with the ribbon around, but it have everything in the inside. Have the card, and we have right here the pouch. Gonna open it, and it's this beauty. Look at this guy. Oh my, I just love it. Look at that. Have this leather, This is 8.7 length times 5.9 and 2.4 inches wide. I get from right here because over here of course not. It's coated canvas, cowhide leather trimming, which is this part right here, and it's a shiny golden brass hardware with, I don't know about the shiny, but it's a brass hardware. It's a LV right here, and we can see, yeah, it's a shiny over here. So it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a white zipper opener. You can see it has two interior flat pocket, which is pretty cool. Is that one right here. Then it have another one right here, and this space for either lipstick or perfume sample or whatever. But I love it. I love that this have those packets right there. Is washable lining inside, like the same one from the toiletry pouches. It have the same liner, and they have the lipstick compartment right there. This is what it is, the lipstick compartment. That is pretty cool. And I love, oh, I guess because they didn't have it in the outside, they put in the inside, and this one is made in France too. So that's pretty cool. It's a Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. You guys can see the label right here. I love that one. It's just like the other ones in the website. They give you the reference that this pouch could be made in France, Italy, or Spain. So you can find it from any of those places, made from any of those places. So I got lucky this one because for some reason, literally seems like everybody loves to have the one from France. I don't know why, but they say the quality issues and stuff like that. But I got one from France. Love it. Okay, you can see this. It has this leather right here. I forgot how this leather is called, but they have the leather, and that's right, I picked this beautiful strap. Look at that. A completely made up crossbody bag from Louis Vuitton accessories, or from accessory from Louis Vuitton, something like that. Look at this. So I really want to attach this from here and make it a crossbody. So give me a second and I will be back. Oh, this thing don't have battery. Alright guys, so this is what I have right here. This is the Cosmetic Pouch, and you can see this is what I want to do, but unfortunately look like this part right here is very thin, and I don't know, I'm gonna try, but I don't gonna force it too much. This is the D-ring that I was able to find in Amazon, but I think this right here is too thick for this one. So I'm just gonna try. I was lucky to find one of these around in my husband tooling stuff. Okay, I don't gonna even force it because it's too thick. I need to find a thin one to go through here and be able to use it as a crossbody. Putting this to ring, but I'm gonna have to order a smaller one within it. Screw. At the moment, I can't really do nothing about it because, like I say, I need to find a smaller D-ring. This is too big, so that part in the center, it can go through here because this is very thin and this is too big for it. So I'm gonna order one, and then I'm gonna be able to attach the strap to this bag. But if you watch my previous video, I'm gonna be able for the unboxing the toiletry 26 and toiletry 19, With those, I'm going to be able to use this nice strap on them too, so it's going to make it very nice. It's going to look awesome. I'm very excited about it. So what I can say about this guy, this is the idea that I have in mind, to put this strap on this one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work perfect, and this one can be used as a clutch too, as a crossbody now with this attachment that I'm putting. So this is an idea that I saw up there, which I think is amazing. But instead, like I said, of ordering a strap from Amazon or places like that, I purchased this straight from the Louis Vuitton website, and will give me the availability to use it in other bags in the future that I could probably get from Louis Vuitton too. That's in my wish list too, to get in the future something, bags from Louis Vuitton like Alma BB and stuff like that, and this one would work perfect with anything that I get from there. So I feel like it was a very good purchase. I love it. And this one, like I say, it could be used as a cosmetic bag, it could be used as a pouch. Nice, beautiful size. It can also be used as a crossbody too, like doing that kind of change adjustment. So thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share, and let me down in the comment what you think about this strap, what you think about this pouch. Did you like it? You think this is a good purchase, if it's worth it? If you have already, let me know what you think about this and if you like it or not. And share this video to somebody that you think is gonna enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. See you soon. Bye.